This might be the most straightforward method for bringing in cash online without selling anything or doing any sort of promoting. With this strategy, you don't have to construct a site or make a channel on YouTube. To be precise, you don't need any social following or audience whatsoever. All you need to bring in cash with this technique is to follow the methods I'm going to show you in this video. In 2 basic steps, I will show you each step in detail. So, toward the finish of this video, you will have the ability to bring in cash later. I will likewise be telling you the best way to bring in additional cash with extra sites and twofold or even triple your profits. Stage 1. The first thing you need to do is go to Google, type in Google News, and click on Google News. Here you will see every one of the most recent articles on various subjects. Change the language and area to USA. On the left, you have categories. Pick the one that is the most interesting to you. And now you'll see every recent article on various subjects inside the pick category/niche. 2 different ways. The first and the most effective way is to explore the subject in light of the article you found, and afterward change an article better compared to it. Note this step can get a little confusing, so repeat parts of this video as necessary. You can utilize sites like thesaurus.com to assist you with tracking down synonyms and more captions and ideas, and essentially sit on your butt a couple of hours revising your own piece of content. The subsequent way, this way, is a less moral, yet at the same time legit. It is free and it requires only a couple minutes of your time. The subsequent way is to duplicate the text from the article you have found and paste it into a product called spinbot.com. Check the I'm not a robot box and click go. Spinbot will reword your text and replace the words using synonyms and switching words around. And now you have your own unique sort of message. In the area underneath, you will see the revised text. Read the text and ensure it is unique and appears to be legit. Then again, I would propose utilizing a free Chrome extension called Grammarly. Download Grammarly, then at that point, copy the reworded text to word processor on a different, similar software, and you will see this little circle on the right bottom side. The red implies your text has a few errors. Simply click on the text and it will correct the words. However, to begin, you simply need free Grammarly, and it will help you a ton. Next, you have your new article in your own words. You can use it in 3 specific ways to bring in cash. The primary way that you probably have already heard of is to assemble your free site with Google's destinations, Groove Channels, Wix, or another free web designer, and to publish many articles. This is a long-term business plan, and in the back end, you will make deals promoting affiliate items or eventually putting advertisements on your site. The subsequent way is to make a video from this article, utilizing programming like Vidnami. Here you can make a video quickly, in about 5 minutes. You paste the article in the box, and the AI will find the right film and music with subtitles, and even a voiceover. If you don't wish to use paid software or you would rather not try Vidnami for free, then you can utilize video editors like OpenShot to alter your recordings. Distribute the video on your channel and wait for the views to pour in. This way is also a long-term business model, and the income will come primarily from affiliate links or advertisements. The next option many people prefer, and I do too. Stage 2. You don't need to construct a site, and you aren't expected to distribute any videos. There are sites that will pay you cash for your article. Some of them will pay you up to $1 for each word. In the event that you have a 1,000-word article, which the majority of them are, you can get paid up to $1,000 for every single article. I'll show you a couple of those sites and how they work. The full rundown of sites that will pay you something like $100 per article you will find at the end of the video. Consider this. You can make those articles in a couple of minutes or max a couple of hours on the off chance that you write yourself. Assuming you make one article every day, you can realistically procure something like $100 each day. The majority of those sites will pay you substantially more, and the more sites you distribute on, the better, since then you can twofold and triple your income. So, let me show you a couple of those sites. The first site is Eating Well. Go to the site, scroll down, and click on Jobs, and afterwards when you scroll down, you will see Writer's Rules. Read them all. They pay you up to $1 per word, and this is really good. At the end of the video, and in the description, you will find the other sites, and you can submit to numerous sites. However, ensure that you have proofread your article prior to submitting it. You don't want to send any of these sites poorly written articles, which I doubt will occur because you got it from Google News. So, that is basically the way in which you earn $200 to $1,000 per day from Google News. One of the most effective methods to make money from Google in 2022. Subscribe to the channel for more money-making methods. Also, like and leave a comment if you enjoyed the video or have any questions. Thank you all for tuning in, and I'll see you soon.